Welcome to Wonkeyjase Day 91, testing top choice pack drop rates. There's the keeper. So PL 19 will be announced tomorrow, and the live stream starts, I believe, 4:30 British summertime on YouTube, so you can tune in and find out what cars and updates we're gonna get. And of course, we also have a load of bugs and crashes afterwards, as we always do. Something to look forward to. So we purchased 38 aluminum packs, and we got more rare than what we should have done, 9% more than what we should have done, which is pretty bad. And we only got 11% super rare, where we should have got 19, and no ultra rare. So not a particularly good range of packs today.
Subscribe to Wonkeyjase.
Double dipping. Yeah, we got 2 super rares out of 1 ceramic pack there. Nice. So moving on to ceramic packs, we bought 27. Super rare. It's meant to be 83%, suggested by Hutch, and we got 74%. So that's good that we didn't get a low amount of the minimum. And ultra rare 14%, we got 22, so we got above the standard there. And epic was meant to be 2.5, we got 4%. So good news all round, but we did miss out on legendary. Double dipping, yes, again we got 2 super rares out of 1 ceramic. So if you haven't done already, please like, share and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Make me happy. And for those who are playing the game, the answer to yesterday's quiz was potato. Yeah, that's right, it's potato. Double dipping, yes, again. 2 super rares out of 1 ceramic. Tasty. Double dipping, and again. Do I need to say it? No. Double dipping. Wow, we are rocking it with a double dipping tonight. So for those who are new to the game, this is a very good pack. You get the ceramic pack and 25 slots. It's quite a good value pack to purchase. And we generally get that offer come out about once a month. Sometimes a little bit closer, sometimes a little bit further. But it's always good to have slots ready for any duplicates you want, to hold duplicates for any special events coming up, and also to grow your garage. Oh, nice holster there. And 3, 2, 1, and epic. Nice. I did get rid of that once for food. I wish I didn't, because I could have used it to win quite a few events, so I'll be keeping that one. It's a bit tasty, and it's 4-wheel drive. First hour of the day. Yeah, great photo there, sent in by Basin from Bournemouth, and he's only 6 months old, so great to get a nice little photo from Basin. Well done. And moving on to carbon fiber packs, we only purchased 1, and we only got an ultra rare, so 100% ultra rare, where it should have been 80%. No chance of a legendary, no chance of that epic. So hopefully a bit more luck next time. Double dipping again, and that ultra rare on top. Ooh, lovely. Double dipping, and another ultra on top of a double dip. Tasty. So if you did go out and actually purchase all these packs with real money, the cost of today's pack would be, drumroll, double dipping, £109.35p. That's roughly equivalent to buying 87 Easter eggs, which I would rather have. So the weather at the moment is clear, with a few clouds, no rain, and a tiny bit of sunshine, but with a little bit of snow added on top, with high winds and 100% precipitation, and the roads are absolutely clear apart from all the traffic and a few traffic jams. So drive safely. And today's sponsor is Dawson's Flatulence Cream. So please like, share and subscribe. We're also on TikTok for some wacky stuff. It's not top drives, it's just wacky. So that's all I've got to say. I've got to go now. So cheers, bye.